Hey YouTubers, it's RVRebel Girl here. Yeah, I got my little curlers in my hair and I'm over at a friend's house. I have my mask on, but I want to show you something.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Uh-oh. I don't know if I blew a fuse, but my TV went off. But anyway, maybe I blew a fuse. I don't know. I wanted a grilled cheese, so I thought I'd put my Hawaiian bread in my little waffle maker and try it that way. I didn't feel like turning it on, but you know what? I think I blew a fuse. I was attempting to make a grilled cheese in my waffle maker on Hawaiian bread, which I love. Hawaiian bread is like my new go-to comfort food thing. French toast, whatever. So I had to go check the fuses, but it wasn't my fuses. I blew a fuse in my nephew's house because I wasn't thinking. I had my space heater on, and then I plugged in the waffle maker, and then I had the lights on and I had the TV on, and I blew a fuse from the power. Oh, Danny, I know. And Danny wants to go outside, but she doesn't want to go outside because it's pouring rain. It's been pouring all day and all night. So anyway, so the little bit that I did film, I did make my grilled cheese. It turned out great. Only now, it's still good, but it's cold. And it cooked it on the outside. I melted the cheese. It tasted really good when I took half of it with me to go into the house. And it's still good. I'm not picky. It's been raining all last night. You really can't see the rain because it's dark, but you can see the glistening of the water on the pavement. You can hear it. But it's been raining all night last night and all day today. And it's going to rain all night. I don't know. The sun may shine. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom dollar that tomorrow the sun will shine. Right, Danny? Sing with Mommy? Come on, sing.
Tomorrow there'll be sun.
Somebody did I don't know who it was, two guys on Facebook. They were trying to show the difference between the mask, the official mask, and the homemade mask. Now, this is one of my homemade masks, okay? And I made it out of just a cotton pajama bottom that I bought at Walmart. Of course, it's double. You know, there's 2 layers of material. And then I use the hair ties to put it around the ear. I have no coffee filter in here, no HEPA filter, no paper towel, no nothing. So let's check this out and see what happens. You can see me blowing.
Yeah, it's working.
It's not getting out, as those guys on the Facebook showed it going out. Now, I'm just going to blow. See, it goes out. Now, hold on. Let me put the other mask on.
Come on, get down. You just want to be around people.
My friend Linda is making dinner. She invited me for dinner. So, I brought her a homemade mask. So, here's the lighter now. You can hear me blowing. You can see it. So nothing's getting out of that sucker. Okay? I'm going to turn this mask around and see what happens when it's on the blue side. So now I'm walking down the street. I got my mask on. The blue side is out. And I want to see how much of what I'm breathing in is gonna come into the mask. So I'm gonna blow out and see if it puts this light out. All it's doing is steaming my glasses. Ain't nothing getting through that sucker.
Both are equal.
My handmade one. Nothing getting through that sucker.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.